and Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? I hope that you all will be fine and enjoying your holidays. So how's your vacations going? Good? Okay, so today is Friday. Friday. Friday, 22nd January, 2021. How's the weather like today? Today is sunny weather. Okay, so today we are going to do workbook. Okay, we have to do 2 pages, 76 and 77. So let's open your books. Okay, so now page 76. First we have to write the date. 21st, 21st. Sorry, today is 22. Okay, 22nd. And what is the topic? Add the numbers in each leaf. Okay, so here we have leaves. We have to add these. Okay, as we know that what is the sign of addition? Okay, this is the sign of addition. Okay, so let's begin. Addition mean to add something. Okay, to add the things. So first we have 7 plus 1. 7 goes to minds and 1 finger out. Start counting. 8. Okay. Now 1 plus 1. 2. 1 plus 1. 2. 4 plus 6. 4 goes to mind. 6 fingers out. Start counting. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our answer is 10. Now 5 goes to mind and 2 fingers out. Start counting. 6, 7. Our answer is 7. Now 7 goes to mind and 4 fingers out. Start the counting. 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have solved our first page. Now let's come towards the second page. Page 77. Okay. So again we have to write the date over here. 22nd, 1st, 21st. Over here we have to subtraction. We have to subtract the things. Subtraction means to cut down the things. As we know that what is the sign of subtraction? This is the sign of subtraction. Okay, so here we have use your answers to help you color in the picture below. Okay, now first we are going to solve 9 minus 3. 9 goes to minds and 3 fingers out. Start backward counting. We have to count backward. Okay, now start backward counting. 8, 7, 6. Our answer is 6. Now again 6 goes to mind and 1 finger out. Start backward counting. 5. Now 9 goes to mind and 4 fingers out. Start backward counting. 8, 7, 6, 5. Our answer is 5. 7 goes to mind and 2 fingers out. Start the backward counting. 6, 5. Our answer is 5. Now 8 goes to mind and 2 fingers out. Start the backward counting. 7, 6. Our answer is 6. So our flower is completed. Now we have to solve the fish. Okay. So here we have 5 goes to minds. 4 fingers out. Start the backward counting. 1. Now 8 goes to minds and 4 fingers out. Start the backward counting. 7, 6, 5, 4. Now 7 goes to minds and 3 fingers out. Start the backward counting. 6, 5, 4. 9 goes to minds and 5 fingers out. Start the backward counting. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Now 6 goes to minds and 4 fingers out. Start backward counting. Yes, start. 5, 4, 3, 2. Answer is 2. 6 goes to minds. 2 fingers out. Start the backward counting. 5, 4. Now 5 goes to minds and 2 fingers out. Start the backward counting. 4, 3. 5 goes to minds and 3 fingers out. Start backward counting. Start the backward counting. 4, 3, 2. Our answer is 2. 4 goes to minds and 3 fingers out. Start backward counting. 1. Okay, so we have completed this page. But the one thing is left, that we have to color the things whatever the answer is. Okay, if there is the answer is 1, so we have to color that blue. color that blue. This is 1, the answer is 1, and this is the answer is 1. So we have to color this blue. So we have to color this water blue. Now, second one, red. Where's 2? This one is 2 and this one is 2. So we have to color these two portions color red. Now, yellow. Where is 3? This one is 3. So we have to color this portion yellow. Orange. 4, orange. This one, this one, this one, and this one. These all 4 parts are color in orange color. Now, 5, brown. This one, and this one. So we have to color these 3 parts into brown color. Now, green, 6. This and this one is 6. So we have to color these 6. Oh, so we have to color this green. Okay. So my dear students, we have completed our 2 pages. This is very easy. Do this work. Enjoy neat and clean handwriting. Take good care of your health. Allah Hafiz.